How to fix your Dell laptop not turning on or your Dell laptop having black screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus from AppHacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Dell laptop not turning on or your Dell laptop's screen having black completely. So there are several reasons why this can happen. The first one is your software problem. The second one can be your hardware related problems. Now, if this is a software related problem, you can simply restart it or update your Windows to fix it. But if that's not the case and it is a hardware problem, you might want to get it checked and fixed. But before we do all that, there is something that you can try to fix it. So this is what you can do. First, you'll need to disconnect the AC adapter or power cord. After you do that, just leave it be for a while. And after you do so, remove the battery. After you remove the battery, you can take it back in, put it back inside, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Now this will help you drain residual power. After you do so, you can reconnect the AC adapter or your power cord and the battery. After you do so, check if your laptop is getting charged or not. If it is getting charged, leave it for a while and try to turn it on. If that fixes your problem, that's great. If it does not fix your problem, there might be an issue in your hardware which you might want to get it checked. And yeah, that is how you fix it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like down below. And if you're new to our channel App Hacks, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye, take care.